Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Speaking Practice. We're really happy to have you here today.
Learning English becomes much easier when you learn it through real-life conversations. Today's topic is very useful, very practical, and very common.
Our topic is talking at a hotel in English.
Imagine you were traveling to a new city. You feel excited, maybe a little tired, and you want everything to go smoothly. That's why hotel English is so important.
So today, let's learn together through a friendly conversation between Emma and Jack.
Wow, Emma, we finally made it. That was a long journey.
Yes, Jack, I'm tired, but I'm also very happy. This city feels calm already.
Same here. Right now, all I want is to check in and rest for a bit.
Don't worry, we already made a reservation. Everything should be easy.
Good. I always feel more relaxed when things are planned.
Good evening. Welcome to Sunrise Harbor Hotel. How may I help you?
Good evening. We have a reservation.
Certainly. May I have the name on the reservation, please?
Yes, it's under Jack Wilson.
One moment, please. Let me check.
When you arrive at a hotel, these sentences are very common. We have a reservation. The reservation is under my name. I booked a room online. Practice saying them slowly and clearly.
Yes, Mr. Wilson. I found your booking. You reserved a twin room for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. May I please see your passports or ID?
Of course, here you are.
And here's mine.
Thank you. Please fill out this guest information form.
What do we need to write, Amma?
Let me see. Full name, nationality, email address, and passport number.
All right, that's simple.
Okay, I'm done.
Me too. Here you go.
Thank you. Everything looks perfect. Your room number is 612 on the 6th floor.
Room 612. Got it.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, the elevators are just behind you. Here are your key cards.
Sorry, one question. How do we use the key card?
Just tap the card on the door sensor. When the light turns green, you can open the door.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
I like this hotel already. The staff is very friendly.
Yes, and the lobby feels peaceful.
6th floor,
Here we go. Okay, room 612.
green light. That's a good sign.
Let's go in.
Oh, wow. This room is really nice.
Yes, it's clean and bright.
Look at the beds. They look very comfortable.
And the window, the view is beautiful.
There's a small table and a chair. That's useful.
And a big TV. Maybe we can watch something tonight.
Good idea. Oh, there's air conditioning too.
That's important. The weather outside is warm.
It feels a little cold.
Let me adjust the air conditioning.
That's better. Thank you.
Let's check the bathroom.
Wow, it's very modern.
They have towels, shampoo, conditioner, everything.
Great. We don't need to buy anything.
After such a long trip, this feels perfect.
Yes, a comfortable room makes a big difference.
I think I'll unpack a little and then rest.
Same here. Later, we can explore the hotel.
After unpacking their bags, Amma and Jack sit down and relax.
This bed feels amazing. I didn't realize how tired I was. Travel can really drain your energy. A good hotel room helps a lot. I agree. I'm starting to feel hungry now. Same here. Do you want to go out or should we order food?
Let's check if they have room service. I don't feel like going out again.
Good idea. Room service is very convenient.
They have quite a few options here.
What are you thinking of ordering?
Maybe grilled chicken and rice? What about you?
I think I'll have vegetable soup and some bread.
The phone says room service is number 9.
Good evening, room service speaking. How may I help you?
Good evening. I'd like to place an order for room 612, please.
Certainly. What would you like to order?
1 grilled chicken with rice, please.
And one vegetable soup with bread, please.
All right. Would you like any drinks?
Yes, 1 bottle of water and 1 cup of tea.
Got it. Your order will arrive in about 20 minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
That was easy.
Yes, hotel English is simple when you know the right sentences.
Exactly. Clear and polite English works everywhere.
By the way, do you know the Wi-Fi password?
I forgot to ask at reception.
Let me call them quickly.
Good evening. Reception speaking. How may I help you? Hello, this is Jack from room 612. Could you please tell me the Wi-Fi password? Of course. The Wi-Fi name is Sunrise Guest, and the password is Welcome123. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a nice evening. That must be the food. Good evening, room service.
Please come in.
Here is your grilled chicken, vegetable soup, water, and tea.
Thank you. Can we charge this to the room?
Yes, of course. Please sign here.
Done. Thank you.
This soup smells really good.
My chicken looks delicious, too.
Room service makes everything feel calm and comfortable.
Yes, it's perfect after a long day.
What time should we wake up tomorrow?
Maybe 8 a.m.? We can have breakfast after that?
Good idea, but I'm a deep sleeper.
Then we should ask for a wake-up call.
Reception speaking. How may I help you?
Hello, this is Jack from room 612. Could we please have a wake-up call tomorrow at 8 a.m.?
Certainly. A wake-up call at 8 a.m. for room 612.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
Everything is set for tomorrow.
Yes, I'm ready to sleep now.
Good night, Jack.
Good night, Amma.
Good morning. This is your 8 a.m. wake-up call. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning. It worked perfectly. I'm ready for breakfast.
Me too. Let's go downstairs.
Good morning. May I have your room number, please? Good morning. Room 612. Thank you. Breakfast is buffet style. Please help yourselves.
Thank you very much. Wow, they have so many options.
Eggs, bread, fruit, juice, everything.
I'll get some tea and fruit.
I'm going to try the eggs and toast.
This is a great start to the day.
Yes, a good breakfast gives you energy.
After this, we should ask reception about city tours.
Good idea. Let's do that later.
After finishing their breakfast, Amma and Jack feel relaxed and energized.
That breakfast was really good.
Yes, I feel full and ready for the day.
What should we do first today?
I think we should ask reception about city tours.
Good idea. Hotels usually have good recommendations.
Good morning. How may I help you?
Good morning. We wanted to ask about city tours.
Of course. We work with the local sightseeing company.
What kind of tours do they offer?
They have a bus tour, a walking tour, and a river cruise.
That sounds nice. How much is the bus tour?
It's $25 per person.
How long does it last?
About 3 hours, and you can hop on and off. Certainly. Would you like to charge it to your room?
Yes, please.
By the way, does the hotel have a spa or a pool?
Yes, we have a spa, a swimming pool, and a fitness center.
That's wonderful.
What time does the pool open?
It's open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Great. Thank you for the information.
Later that afternoon, Amma and Jack return to their room.
This hotel really has everything.
Yes, staying here feels very comfortable.
I like how helpful the staff is.
That's true. Good service makes a big difference.
That evening, they packed their bags.
I can't believe tomorrow is checkout day.
Time goes fast when you're enjoying yourself.
Did you enjoy this hotel?
Absolutely. I would stay here again.
Emma and Jack go to the reception desk with their luggage. Good morning. Are you checking out?
Yes, we are. Room 612.
All right, let me check your bill. Here is your bill. It includes the room charges, room service, and the city tour tickets.
Let me take a look. Everything looks correct.
How would you like to pay?
I'll pay by card.
Please tap your card here. Payment successful. Here is your receipt.
Could you please call a taxi for us?
Of course. The taxi will arrive in 5 minutes.
Thank you very much for everything.
You're welcome. We hope to see you again.
This stay helped me learn so much hotel English.
Yes, we practiced real conversations without even realizing it.
That's the best way to learn. Let's quickly review the most important hotel English words we used. Reservation, booking a room in advance. Reception/front desk, main service area. Check-in, arriving at the hotel. Check-out, leaving the hotel. Key card, card used to open the room. Room service, food delivered to your room. Wi-Fi password, internet access code. Wake-up call, hotel phone call to wake you. Buffet, self-service meal. Bill, list of charges. Facilities, spa, pool, gym. Luggage, bags and suitcases. Learning English is not about memorizing difficult words. It's about practicing real situations, step by step. If you listen again and repeat slowly, your confidence will grow. Don't be afraid to speak. Mistakes are part of learning. Here's today's question for you. What is your dream hotel and why do you want to stay there? Write a simple sentence and practice your English. Thank you for practicing English with us today. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep improving. See you in the next lesson of daily English speaking practice. Bye.